Want to advertise your product? The most common methods are print, electronic, outdoors, digital, radio, etc. Choosing the right medium and allocating the right percentage of budget is necessary to achieve the desired advertising outcomes. Failure to choose the right medium with the right budget can lead to low returns on advertising spend. The right media plan is a tool developed to assist you in getting maximum return on your spend after evaluating 36,459 probabilities that can increase the response rate to your campaign to 27%. We can suggest what proportion of your advertising budget must be split between various media channels. Right Plan has the experience, expertise, tools, technology, and big data analytic to help you make smart choices. If you want to make your own plan, we can help you customize it to your specific needs. Various online payment options are available to book Right Media Plan. Right Media Plan. Your budget, our plan.